Hey guys, it's Amy. So today I'll be teaching Wylock 2nd grade worksheet lesson 7. Okay, it says finding a pattern review. Number 1. How many pennies have the same value as 6 nickels? So we know that a nickel is 5 cents, so 1 nickel is equal to 5 pennies, and 2 nickels are 10 pennies. So you would have a pattern of 5. So you would keep adding 5 to the numbers. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 5 is 20, and 20 plus 5 is 25, and 25 plus 5 is 30. The values go up by 5s. You would add 5s because we know that 1 nickel is equal to 5 pennies. So it will keep going up 5 times. So 30 pennies have the same value as 6 nickels. Bar graph. Use the graph to answer the questions. Let's answer question number 1. How many hours of sports does Ben play each week? Using the bar graph, we could find the answer to question number 1. So it's asking how many hours does Ben play each week. So Ben is right here, and this is hours. So all we have to do is just see how many blocks there is, and there's 2. So 1, 2, and it aligns with the 2. So Ben plays 2 hours of sports each week. And let's answer question number 4. What is the greatest number of hours spent playing sports? So we could see who has the greatest number of hours by just looking which one is just the greatest number. So we could see that 8 is the greatest, and that is Carl. So we will just write down 8. Not the name, because it's just asking us what is the greatest number of hours, and not asking who has the greatest number of hours. It's asking what is the greatest number. So we could just see, and it's Carl because it's just the longest right here and it sticks out the most. So yeah. And it's not Susie, not 6, because 8 is greater than 6. And you can answer the rest of the problems using the bar graph. And same for number 2, you can find a pattern, just like we did for number 1. Bar graph continued. Books. Number 1. How many books does Ben read each week? So let's see. We have to find first Ben. So Ben is right here. And here is telling us how much books they read, each student read. And we could see that Ben read, if we go up, he read 10 books. So we would write Ben read 10 books. And number 2, it says, how many books do Susie and Carl read all together? So we have to see the number of books Susie read. Susie read 2 books, so it's 2 plus, and then it's asking Carl, and Carl read 1 book, as we could see right here. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And they're asking how many books do Susie and Carl read all together, so you would add Susie and Carl. Next, word problems. Each wagon has 4 wheels. If there are 6 wagons in total, how many wheels should there be? So in order to solve this problem, if you have challenge solving this problem, you can make a chart, or like a table, just like we did for number 1 and 2. Since we don't have enough space for that, we can just say we could add 4 6 times, since each wagon, which means 1 wagon, equals 4 wheels. So 1 equals 4. So we have 6 wagons now. 6. So that doesn't mean 6 wagons cannot have 4 wheels. So we would have to do 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 in order to get the answer. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 24. Since this is a little hard to add because it's bigger numbers, we can make a chart. We'll make a mini one. So 1 wagon is 4. 2, you just keep adding 4, is 8. 3 is 12. 12. 4 wagons means there's 16 wheels. And 5 wagons means that there is 20 wheels. And 6 wagons means that there is 24 wheels. So there is a total number of 24 wheels. You could either add this one by one or make a chart, which I recommend to make a chart. Let's do number 2. Lynn read 5 books. Then she read 4 more. And the key word here is more. How many did she read? So it's asking us how many did she read in total. So she first read 5 books, so we would do 5. We would write 5. And more means addition. More is a key word for addition, so we would put plus 14. And 5 plus 14 equals 19. So Lynn read 19 books. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.